What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame corecast. We're going to be going over Eurnzd. Now, before we get started, I want you guys to do one thing, and that's just like this idea. Not only does it support us, but it really does give others an opportunity to see these videos and not only learn from it, but also pull away some pips as well. So we already covered this pair in the past. If you don't remember, go check out the video. But basically what we're doing is starting on the monthly, and we were just pulling out a general trend, initiated, tested, and potentially completed here, initiated, tested, and then confirmed here. In addition to that, we're pulling out areas of structure. As you can see right here, we had a critical area structure, and we had some structure that was support, resistance, resistance, and then now support once more. So we were waiting for an opportunity to come in on its trade, and we got a confirmation of a pattern here, but now we just need to wait for the lower time frames to give us an actual confirmation to enter. So this is what we're looking at. So just a nice little harmonics pattern. With these patterns, and specifically, we have a high probability of making it to the neckline, and this neckline in this instance actually aligns perfectly with the structure as well. So it makes sense that we would be putting this as our first TP. Now on the lower time frames, it looks like we're making a shift upward, so we might have a little correction up here or down here. So basically we're going to be waiting for an opportunity to come in on this correction. So let's turn on the handy dandy script that we created, and we can see that we're still in a bearish environment, but what we're going to need to do is just come down to test this area of structure, which is around this 38 zone and potentially this 50, and then we can actually confidently come in and make a purchase on this particular pair. So just waiting for a retracement. We got confirmed on all time frames. We're just waiting for one more confirmation on the 4-hour, and then we can actually get ready to look for some longs. Now this trade right here is a 1 to 2.18. Not the best risk parameters, but with this particular trade, we were actually looking at it more long term as well. So if we go back up to this weekly time frame, we can see that we have an impulsive pattern to the upside in addition to this ascending channel as well. So we have a higher probability of it continuing upward. So if we do see a continuation upward, what we're going to do is dynamically move our stop loss and take profit accordingly until we could hit a secondary TP, which was an extension of the previous leg. So this is Eurnzd, guys. Nothing too fancy. We're just waiting for a confirmation on the 4-hour, which is going to be also an entry position for us. So potential retracement as we look for an entry, and that's pretty much it. So we might see something before the market closes. Otherwise, we could see something when the market opens up on Sunday and Monday, when we get a little bit more volume. So this is Eurnzd, guys. We actually ended up closing this week. We started off a little rocky, breaking even, essentially making money, breaking even, making money, breaking even. But over the last 24, almost 48 hours, we were pulling in a significant amount of pips, close to 350. In addition to that, last week did 400, and last month did 5,000. So obviously the trades that we're putting out here are only a fraction of what we're taking in. So if you guys are wanting to learn a little bit more on how to read and analyze charts, feel free to message us as well. And if you're on a time constraint or you just want to make some money while you're learning, feel free to message us and we can show you how to get all these pips as well. So this is Eurnzd, guys. Do not forget to comment down below. Comment your ideas on this pair of pairs you want us to cover in future videos. Like this idea, share it if you can, and I'll see you guys in the next video.